Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can send multiple emails all at once. So at first go to Google Chrome and then tap on these three buttons and then click on desktop site. Then search for Gmail. Once this loads up, all you have to do, suppose I want to send all of these, so select them and then you see this three dot here, click on that and it says forward as attachment, so tap on that. Now when you see down there, all of those emails have been loaded into one and you can send it to whoever you want to. And when I click on send and then check on sent, it says that all of them have been sent all at once. And that is how you can send multiple emails all at once. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.